Hello and welcome to HotStone Media. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change your air filter on our Audi A4. The air filter is located inside the plastic housing next to the battery. There are a whole load of torque screws you have to undo in order to get to the air filter. After you have undone all the screws, you should be able to open the air filter housing and take out the air filter. It would be a good idea to clean out any dirt that's collected up inside the air filter housing. Then you can install the new air filter. Make sure you install it the right way round. After that, you can screw back the air filter housing. After you have tightened all the screws, you should be all done. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the content, please like, subscribe and share. I will need as much subscribers as possible in order to continue. Thank you for watching my videos.